Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be in collaboration with Dollar Tree and Hallmark Cards. As you guys know, I worked with them last year, and can you guys believe it's been a year already that they have been stocking these beautiful cards in Dollar Tree. So they are celebrating their anniversary and doing this campaign, which I'm sharing with you these amazing cards. If you guys didn't know, these cards are amazing quality and super affordable. Their expressions line is $1 each, and their heart line is 2 for $1. And you guys, these are some good quality cards. They have the little glittery effects. Some cards have tons of texture, some are plain. Look at this one, has glittery texture on it, and it's in Spanish. It says Feliz Cumpleaños, which is a happy birthday card. You get some pretty envelopes with them, you guys. And you know that if you go to like a regular pharmacy, that you can pay up to $3, $4 with this card for these cards. And at Dollar Tree, you can get them for $1 or 2 for $1, and that is awesome. Look at this one that says Thinking of You. It has some gold foiling. Super pretty. With the little colorful envelope. We have this one that says I'm sorry. This is just a regular flat one, but look how good the picture looks. It's not like, you know, smeared or just like foggy looking. It's not cheap looking. Great quality photo. Please forgive me. Then we have this one that says You're a Blessing in Our Lives, with kind of like pink foiling. And look how clear the picture looks, you guys. Super great quality. As I mentioned last year, they are a great deal. So if you're picking up some birthday cards, some thank you cards, Dollar Tree is the place to be. It says, holy cow, it's your birthday. Can I get a moo-hoo? So yeah, you guys, these are the cards that they sent me to share with you guys and show you guys. Don't forget to check out the links down below. Let me see. What else? They are currently having, you guys, a sweepstakes where they're going to be giving a full box of greeting cards and a $100 gift card to Dollar Tree. So definitely check out that link because there's going to be 20 winners. And I'm also going to send you a link to where you can purchase these cards online. But yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you, Dollar Tree, for working with me on this video. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye. Hey guys, I forgot to mention one thing. I will be compensated for this video by Dollar Tree, and I also get compensated on any links that you guys click on because they are affiliated links. So thank you guys so much for the love and support, and thank you, Dollar Tree, for having me once again on your campaign. And yeah, now I am done, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.